morning. I ran out of glue, so I'm going to the next municipality and see if we can find this vinyl glue and finish the job today, I hope. In the meantime, I gotta buy a couple of more things, and I need to fix the fence at the front. Somebody destroyed. I mean, a big dog maybe pushed through, maybe Lily, and I need to fix so the puppy doesn't run away. So a lot to do before I can finish this bathroom. Alright. And it just started raining. I was my morning. I can't find this vinyl glue anywhere around here. There's a lot of hardware store, but so we'll buy tomorrow. I still can do some work in the bathroom anyway. Maybe I got just a little bit of glue left to do the lower side of the wall. So let's see. I'm pretty sure we got a Brownout. Look at this pole. Power poles go down. So they're fixing that. Anyway. Everybody here?
Yeah.
Hello, my princess. Oh, you do a beautiful job. You're just as good as mommy. Oh, you watch TV there. So good. And the man can pick up?
Not yet.
Not yet?
There's more job to do.
Okay. Carmen. Carmen of Seville.
This for a barbecue shop.
Is that for barbecue shop? Okay. Oh my God.
Huh?
James been very, very busy.
The
Okay.
order I put on the table there.
Yeah, it's okay. Leave it there.
Because
When it stops raining, I can maybe fix the fence. For now, I'm gonna go in the bathroom. I'm gonna see if I got enough glue to put like this, you know, the lower side of the wall, and maybe you can drop the shower pan. Anyway, I'll have a look. Yeah,
Where did you put?
on top of the table, kitchen table. Hello, my love.
Mimi gonna eat.
You watching TV? No, Mimi's outside.
Okay.
Lily outside. Everybody outside, I think. Hello. Oh, you concentrate. Sorry to bother you. Okay, back to my beautiful bathroom. Sick of it, but that's okay. As you probably heard before, I can't find any vinyl glue, so that's okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut all the tiles that needs to be cut, because they don't touch each other, so it's no problem with gaps and things. I'm going to also prepare, if they're all the same width, then I'm going to start cutting the one there. So I got everything ready for after tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Dipolog, then I can buy some more vinyl glue. For now, not much I can do. I still got a little bit, so maybe towards the end of the day I'll see if I can fix. I mean, some people ask me to get this the right way, but you know, this stuck already so well, and the shower screen support will be here. You're not going to see most of it. I probably wouldn't bother for now. I know I got this one also wrong. You know, unless you really look for them, you don't really see it. But, and I don't care. It's a cheap house. I'm not trying to make faster house. Who cares? That's it. I'm just gonna have a quick check on all those tiles I've been fixing, make sure they're okay, and then I will cut all the bits and pieces around, get it ready. And maybe, I don't know, if this is big enough, Maybe I can drop the shower pan there. I still got a bit of glue, so I could finish this corner, and yeah, maybe we could do that. We'll see. Okay, one step back. You remember I did this for the door to prevent water to go into the rest of the house. Now the tile color is wrong. I need to do this color because I changed my mind after I finished this. So I'm gonna take this off, this vinyl tile off, and put the black one. I don't think I will put this after. This is gonna come off easy. That didn't come out easily, so you know, if we put a good pressure. Anyway, I just cut this off upstairs in the carport, but I need to grind a little bit off here and there. Make this straight and that straight, but it's Brownout. Jam very busy at the studio right now, so I'm gonna have just a quick snack, and hopefully the power will come back. I'm pretty easygoing when I serve something myself. That's it. We finished lunch, but power hasn't come back. Jam's gone to the studio. She's got a lot of work. Bella leave me doing that because I need to babysit her. Jam's very busy. She got a few orders for tomorrow and Monday, and yeah. A lot of people mention it's too slow what I do, but I know, I understand. I don't work, you know, 7 to 4 or something like that. I can't. I got other things to do, and you know, there's other commitment. There's many things to be done, so the job is slowed down by half easily. Okay, I got some left over from previous job, so I hope there'll be enough. Let's see. What do you think? This is okay? Hello. What are you doing? Oh. That's not gonna be fun. Okay, they're okay. There needs to be maybe cut a little bit in some cases. Very good. Because I got a few of those. What? You agree? Oh, Bella is a real pain. Where's your bread? I can't do nothing. I might as well go have a nap. Huh? What can you do? Are you? Yeah, you can knock on the door before coming in, sure. Parrot! I can't work. She's so naughty. I need to keep an eye on her. Oh dear. A nightmare. See what I mean? That's gonna scratch my tiles? Give it to me! Gosh. Out! Yeah. What's that? You hurt yourself? Don't know what you're doing. There's no fans. It's super hot here. You can't work. If you do nothing, it's okay. But I give up. I give up. See why we have to be around? She probably would love to try to go over it. I can't do anything. I'm gonna lie down, that's it. Power, no TV, and iPad doesn't seem to work. Internet's so bad. She's singing, huh? She just repeat what she see on TV. Now she's gonna jump on top of me and bounce on top of me. I can't have a rest. Okay, sing a song to Daddy. You're gonna fall. Sing a song? You know, my family are so sensitive. I mean, jeez. So, if I'm not doing any bathroom work, it's your fault. It's so bad. She need a horse, a rocking horse. That's what she do with her slide. And she almost fell just now. Lucky I grabbed her. She's not scared. But she got scared because she cried. Yeah, you're gonna fall, I'm telling you. You're not listening to Daddy. This is not a rocking horse. You don't care, huh? That's better. It's a slider. I can't sleep, I can't have anything. I cannot work, I cannot do anything. Maybe sleeping, but it's so dark. Still brown out. Still gonna be too hot. Sorry guys. Nothing today. Good morning. Today is Saturday. Shopping time. We got a couple of things to do. The puppy managed to escape somehow. We found a way. So I need to fix that. Yeah, somebody broke the fence here, probably Lily. So I had to fix that, but also the puppy managed to escape from here.
Yeah, that's why I put this.
Okay, we'll see next how they're gonna beat the system. They should get away from here now. Yeah, finish couple little job there, the fence, and put something on the gate at there so the puppy doesn't run away. I think it's pretty good now. I feel so lazy. Anyway, I gotta get ready and go to shopping. Okay, I will get some glue so I can continue with the towels and finish it off. Ready, my love? Are you too young for that? We start getting a strong wind around here. Look, my wife's so cute this morning. Woo, woo, woo.
I'm always cute.
Always cute.
Very windy. My plants fall.
Yeah. Bella wants to go swimming or something. Yeah, first time here. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the new one we show you in another video. She doesn't eat?
Huh? What's that? Hmm? Ooh. Do this.
Opening soon, a new shopping mall, a food court. So we're told. Nice, yeah.
Stopping here. I asked Joe to buy those rice cake. After eating chocolate. And this is the rice cake. They cook in the banana leaves. Look. And it smells so good.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye. Smoky, smoky.